Hello guys, review Tecno Spark 40C, this version 4GB memory and 128GB storage. Open box, look completion. We have 6000 mAh battery, 80 watt fast charging battery, 120 Hz, IP64, dual speakers, device in the white color, okay, and in completion we have adapter for charging, Type-C cable, key for SIM slot, protected back cover, and the commentary and papers. Okay. iPhone like design we have. iPhone 15, iPhone 14. Camera looks like iPhone 14. On this side power button and low buttons. On this side slot for SIM cards and micro SD card. Downside Type-C, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. And we have display 6.7 inch. Display IPS HD plus resolution 120 Hz. iOS version 15.1.2, Android 15. Close this, open Geekbench 6. Look results, we have CPU MediaTek Helio G81 and GPU Mali G52. Look onto the benchmark results. Okay. Start PUBG Mobile, look how this game works on the device. Okay, game load. And game load on the medium graphic level. Okay. Close this. Now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see photos. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.